What's up, everybody? Gig log number 2 for the channel. Today we're at Pat's 30 Acres in Wall, New Jersey. Now this is a very unique venue. It's very rustic, very cool. My favorite part about it is the load-in is super simple. Here's my trailer with Bobby, and then you go a few feet and we're loading right where that table's at. We have a particular problem with power today because this is a tent venue, and often when you have tent venues, power is always an issue. But we have a solution for that. Check it out. Just got everything all set up. We're gonna walk you through the setup real fast so you can see exactly how we did what we did. So here's what the setup looks like. There goes Bobby playing around with the controller, but we have the same little facade setup that we had last time. The reason why we're using it today is because we're outside and it's cloudy and I'm scared it's gonna rain and I don't want my $1,800 furniture getting ruined by getting wet because it's wood. So we're using that today just to play it safe. And then on the back end, the back of the house, we've got my little mini rack, and my little mini rack has everything that my big rack has. So 2 SLX receivers, the antenna distro, and a QSC touch mix. And then we have our power situation. So the one thing I didn't want to do is run a 100-foot power cord to a random outlet in another building because there's no control over that and who knows what's going to happen with it. What we set up was 3 Jackery 1000s. So we have our main console running into this one and our 2 speakers running to this one. Individual Jackery 1000s for everything should yield us enough power to get through the 5-hour cocktail hour and reception. I am fully confident we will be a-okay, especially since we're not going to be pumping our speakers the entire time. It's really not going to be till the last like hour and a half, 2 hours anyway. So I'm pretty sure we are going to be great. As a backup though, we will have the 100-foot extension cord in place just in case we have to make any audibles.
At the end of the video, we're going to tell you how much power we used and show you the levels on the Jackeries.
You heard what Bobby said. That was the back of house, and up front we have DDJ Rev 7, back on the little facade thing with the shelf, MacBook, 360 camera. DJs, if you're not using a 360 camera, you need to get one. On a little tripod here with an Anchor battery, just so it doesn't die throughout the night. On my last gig log, the battery actually died. And lesson learned. So that will not happen ever again. Okay, so we got cocktail hour rolling right now. Everybody's over there enjoying cocktail hour. They're at the bar. So the next thing you're gonna see is introductions. Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to Abby and Austin's wedding celebration. Okay, that wasn't bad, but I think we could do a little bit better. Welcome to Abby and Austin's wedding celebration. That is the energy I was looking for. My name is Seth, along with Bobby. We are from the SCE Event Group, and it is our absolute honor to not only be your event host, but your DJs for tonight's very special occasion. Now, I'm not going to keep you guys waiting any longer. I know what you're waiting for, and we're going to bring them into this space right now. So if I could have you focus your attention towards our main entrance, as it's my pleasure to introduce to you some very special people to Abby and Austin, starting with Abby's parents, Michael and Trisha Ford. And now, I'd like to kindly ask everyone to rise out of their seats. And with as much love, noise, and enthusiasm as you can muster, let's welcome in for the second time today, the new Mr. and Mrs. Weber! Gentlemen, one more time, let's hear it for our newlyweds! Ladies and gentlemen, you may kindly take your seats as Abby and Austin officially open up our dance floor with the first of many special dances together as husband and wife. And the song they have chosen is Lover. Halfway through the wedding, and had to let you guys know we're killing it with battery. 79% on the battery that's running my rack and my furniture, and we're at 90% on the speakers. We've been playing for 2 straight hours. Ladies and gentlemen, our dance floor is officially open for the evening. Grab your favorite dancing partner, put on your dancing shoes, make your way out to the center of the floor. We came here to celebrate love tonight. We're going to do that right here on this dance floor, so don't be shy. Make your way on out. Our dance floor is officially open.
Is at 73 and your speakers 88. Seth, it's 9 o'clock. That was your rack. Here is your speakers. Check on the Jackeries. The Jackery for the speakers, 75. Jackery for the rack, 61%. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Abby and Austin, I'd like to thank everybody for coming out and partying with us tonight. And one more time, I need to hear everybody make some noise for Abby and Austin. Let's hear it. Thank you again for coming out and partying with us tonight. If you're driving, we ask that you drive home safe. Thank you again, and good night. One more time. Okay, so we just got done the wedding, and it's time to check on our Jackeries and see how much power they actually use. Keep in mind, we had 3 separate Jackeries tonight, 1 for each speaker and 1 for our mixing console and our rack. So if you're thinking about getting a Jackery to use, keep that in mind that these numbers are 3 separate Jackeries powering 3 separate things. So our first Jackery comes in at 58%. This is the one running the rack and the controller. The next Jackery comes in at 72%, and that was running 1 speaker. Yep. The last Jackery comes in at 69%. If you're thinking about getting a Jackery, I think for an entire setup, a 2,000 watt might actually do it, because 3 separate 1,000 watts, and we had a ton of power left. We could have kept this party going all night long. But as you saw, the party went great. Thank you guys for watching. As always, if you found anything valuable in the content, please subscribe to the channel. We have a bunch of videos going over the technical uses DJs with a lot more coming down the pipeline. My name's Seth, aka DJ Seth V. This is DJ Tech Tips. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.